Hi guys, welcome to Foodies, the Smartest Kitchen. This is Arun Kumar. Today I'm gonna prepare bhindi masala, which is lady's finger masala. This is also one of the finest and easiest recipe I have tried. I am sure you will like it. In case if you like it, please subscribe my channel, share and comment your valuable feedback. Before I start, let me tell you the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 8 to 9 garlic peels, little coriander and curry leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, which you call it as jeera. Also, I have taken 200 grams of neatly cleaned lady's finger, 3 tablespoons of oil, curd, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of besan powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala and little turmeric powder, salt to taste. Now that I have added 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to soak lady's finger. After the oil got preheated, I added lady's finger and sauteed for 5 minutes. Now let me keep it aside and add 2 tablespoons of oil. I added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Now adding onions. Saute it for 2-3 minutes so that the onion is cooked neatly. Now add little turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and also half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Make sure the flame is medium. Let the masala mix well. If you insist, you can add little more oil, but if you don't prefer too much of oil, then I think 3 tablespoons of oil is sufficient. Initially we took 1 tablespoon of oil to saute the lady's finger and then 2 tablespoons of oil for cooking onions, adding these masalas and further process. Now you can add curry leaves, garlic and ginger garlic paste. Mix it well again. I hope you see the masala is cooked well. Now add tomatoes. Once the tomato is cooked, you can add salt as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of besan powder. Saute it for almost 5 minutes so that the tomato is cooked well, post which you can add salt and 1 tablespoon of besan powder. Now add salt as per your taste and 1 spoon of basin powder, and again saute it well. I see the tomatoes and the entire masala is cooked well. Now you can add 2 tablespoons of curd. Make sure the flame is low. Now add the required water and then the lady's finger. Once the water starts to boil, only then you have to add lady's finger. Do not add it before boiling. Mix it well. Now I am adding lady's finger as it has come to boil. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes in a low flame. You can taste salt if you insist. If you think the salt is little less, you can add salt as per your requirement. Otherwise, as per the ingredient, I think it is sufficient. Please allow it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes and we are done. We are almost ready. Now finally we have to add coriander leaves. It has come out very well. I'm sure you will like it. Please share your valuable comments and kindly subscribe my channel.